Hi, welcome back to CFR. Today we're going to be decorating our home, our downstairs home and our game room. My name is Janie and this is my daughter Jasmine.
Hello.
So grab your hot cocoa and let's get to it. Welcome back. So we're done decorating. We decorated the study, entryway, stairway, and we put up our Christmas tree in the living room, and we also decorated the kitchen. We're going to take some still shots so you can kind of see like a mini house tour.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the post notification bell if you enjoyed this video.
Thank you for supporting us.